So this course has a big impact on me, especially in helping me adopt a growth mindset. I realized that having an entrepreneurial mindset isn't something you are born with. It's something you can build through consistent effort and a willingness to tackle challenges directly. The idea of viewing setbacks as learning opportunities really resonated with me. It showed me how our response to failure can shape our path forward. Instead of seeing failure as a roadblock, I began to see it as a necessary step towards my goals. This shift made me much more open to taking on new challenges, both in my study and in my work. I also gained a deeper understanding of working with others. The course highlighted the importance of listening to different perspectives and being open to feedback. It's in team or projects, we often didn't agree on everything, which could be frustrating, but I learned to see the value in those different opinions. They often lead to more creative, effective solutions. It became clear that good teamwork isn't just about dividing tasks. It's about blending our ideas and learning from each other to create something better. This shift in mindset helped me to understand that sometimes the best results came from merging diverse viewpoints rather than sticking to a single approach. The course also changed the way I think about solving problems. It's not just about finding quick fix, but about understanding the deeper underlying issues. I learned that to really solve the problem, you have to dig into its complexity, understanding what's causing it, and focus on long-term solutions. This approach made me realize that taking the time to fully understand the challenge can lead to better results. Even if it requires more patience or effort in the beginning, it taught me to look beyond the surface and consider the root causes, which has given me a more analytical perspective when approaching challenges in both academic and professional settings. I also saw the importance of taking action, especially when the situation is uncertain. The course taught me that waiting for perfect conditions can hold you back, and sometimes you just need to get started with what you have. Even small steps can make a difference. This mindset made me more willing to jump into new projects, even when everything wasn't perfectly aligned. It's about using the resources and opportunities at hand and moving forward from there. The approach has helped me feel more confident when tackling new, unfamiliar projects, knowing that progress often comes from a willingness to begin with when the path isn't fully clear. And lastly, I developed a stronger appreciation for persistence and learning from failure. It's easy to feel discouraged when things don't go as planned, but this course remind me that every setback is a chance to grow. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about how you pick yourself up. And I learned that success often comes from adjusting your approach and then continuing to push forward, even when things are tough. This understanding has given me more confidence to face challenges with a resilient and positive mindset. I've come to see that resilience isn't just about the endurance. It's about continuously evolving your strategies based on the lesson and you learn along the way. Working with my team showed me how to apply the growth mindset in real world situations. At first, we had disagreement about how to design a presentation. Some teammates prefer a simple style while I want a more detailed style, which was a bit frustrating for me. But as I learned to see things from their perspective, I got better at listening and valuing different opinions. I realized that each viewpoint had something unique to offer. In the end, we are able to blend our ideas, creating a presentation that was both clean and packed with rich content, making it more engaging for our audience. This experience highlights the importance of compromise and the creativity that can come from combining different perspectives. The video recording part of our presentation comes with its own challenges, like technical issues and coordinating everyone's schedule. Some of us were not familiar with the recording tools, and it was tough to find a time that worked for everyone together, which slowed us down. But I realized that waiting for perfect conditions was not the way to go. Instead, we need to jump in, starting experimenting, and adjust as we went, even when technical issues chopped up. We kept going, running small tasks and practice sessions till we got the hang of the tools. In the end, our video turned out better than we expected. This experience reminded me that sometimes progress is made through trial and error, and that persistence can turn obstacle into stepping stones. When I moved from China to New Zealand, the language barrier was tough, but I decided to put in the effort to improve my English by interacting more with my host family. This experience taught me that success often comes down to being ready for challenges, putting in consistent effort, and being willing to adjust to new environments. I carried the same mindset to my time at university, where balancing my study and social life. I realized that the issue wasn't my ability to be, rather a lack of discipline. So I set up a schedule and become more careful with how I use my time. This taught me that facing challenges isn't just about staying negative. It's about taking real, concrete steps to make things better. In my future career, I will focus on making the best of what I've instead of waiting for the perfect condition. This approach will help me stay flexible and keep moving forward even when things don't go as planned. I also plan to focus on understanding problems at a deeper level, making sure I get to the root of issues. This way I can find solutions that really last and have a better understanding of the challenges I face at work. Plus, I've learned that bringing different perspectives together can lead to creative ideas, so I will keep listening to and learning from my colleagues around me. Also, patience is something I will continue to work on, especially when it comes to turning weakness into strength. Whether it's learning a new skill or starting a new project, I'm ready to dive in and take action because I know that's what's helped me grow. Having a growth map will help me stay open to change and adapt quickly, giving me the confidence to handle whatever comes next.